भारत माता की जय. Today we have assembled to celebrate 5th Yoga Day, which has been started on since 21st June 2014. It has been now sanctioned as an International Yoga Day. We know a lot about yoga, benefits of yoga, what is yoga, history of yoga. I have already uploaded a tremendous number of such things. So today I will focus, give you demonstration of yoga without talking too much. So let us start with. I am ready.
Shoo, don't disturb.
I am ready some level. Triangle pose. Again forward.
ಇವನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಫುಲ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಸರ್ ಬಿ ತೊಂಡು ಕಾಲ್ ರೆಡಿ
The next sitting position.
ಸರ್ ರಮೇಶ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬಂದ ನಿಮ್ದು
I will not be able to sit, but I will show you. Sukhasana is very next. Sukhasana, Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, or in Vajrasana, any position. Be in this mudra. Sukhasana, Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, or in Vajrasana, any position. Be in this mudra.
ಇದು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಾಗಿದೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ರಾತ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ
This is the Sukhasana. Next, Ardha Padmasana. Sukhasana. This you all sit. This Padmasana.
ನಂದು ಬಿಡ
Locking. And if you lock fully,
Sakya.
then I am still
Stop it.
inner. If you lock both the things, then this is Padmasana. So being in Padmasana, you can do what are the yoga, pranayam. I will tell you. The first, Kapalbhati. chanting of Om. Through chanting of Om, what we gain? This is the type of meditation. How do we do? Why do we do? Through meditation, we are deleting all the cookies, unwanted files stored during day, during life, during month, during week in our mind. So unless we are cleaning up, making it to the zero level, it will not be ready to accept any other data. It will not be ready to process. So let us delete all the unwanted things. For that meditation is done. So meditation and Om chanting. The chanting of Om will improve your speaking power, the power of throat also. We are not able to express whatever the view we have. So through chanting, our vocal system gets purified. So let us start. The mudra, this is called being in Sukhasan, Padmasan, Ardha Padmasan, or in Vajrasan, any position, be in this mudra. This is Gyan Mudra. During Om, there are 3 steps are there. O, A, Ma. O is coming from our belly button. A comes from lungs and Ma comes from mouth. Let us see. So Om consists of 3 letters. All 3 letters should come from 3 organs of our body. The O should originate from our belly button. A should come from lungs and Ma should come from mouth. This concept you should keep in mind while chanting the Om. Finally, I am trying to extend it. That voice, that sur should come from inside. So there will be a connection. This thumb will go to our ear, but it's not hidden. It's not it should not give any pain. Just gently inside, so that no humming noise. It should be isolated from any external. And these 3 fingers, index finger should be away. These 3 fingers you make like a cup and cover. So this will go inside here. These 3 will be like a cup, like this. We have to chant Om. I will show you. The position first you see. These 3 will cover our eye like cup gently. This will go inside. This index will be here. So this is Bhramri. During Bhramri, lot of benefits are there. I am not going in deep in the benefits. पूरा बॉडी ठंडा हो गया। बहुत सारे हैं। अब ये सब करने के बाद कंप्लीट अपने बॉडी को कूल डाउन करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, फास्ट बता रहा हूँ। ऐसे सांस लेंगे, रोकेंगे, छोड़ेंगे, कोशिश करेंगे जितना ज़्यादा होल्ड कर सकते हैं। Breathing through neck, exhaling through mouth, so that entire respiration system will come in the circle. 8 times in this position attention and 8 times in rest position. And finally, both the legs, both the hands like this. Slowly raise it, raise yourself, turn it, get your height.